Okay, so we're looking at multiplying polynomials. And the way we multiply polynomials are by doing the distributive property. Meaning we want to multiply everything in that first polynomial by every term in that second polynomial. And to multiply these terms, we multiply our coefficients, which are the numbers in front of your variable. And we look at our variables and we add our exponents with the same variable. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm multiplying x times x. Since both of those have an exponent of 1, x times x will leave me with x squared. Then I multiply x times negative 3. That's going to give me negative 3x. And then next I have to multiply 5 by both terms in that second polynomial. So 5 times x is 5x. And then 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. I don't have a like term for the x squared. I don't have any other terms with the square, so I just bring it down. But my like terms here are negative 3x and 5x. Combining my coefficients, negative 3 and 5. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2x. And then I just brought down that negative 15. Next, multiplying that 5x by both terms in the second polynomial. 5x times 2x. 5 times 2 gives me 10. Then I'm adding those exponents. So x times x is x squared. 5x times negative 1 is negative 5x. Next, I'm going to multiply 2 by everything in that second polynomial. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And again, I don't have any other squared terms, so I just bring down that 10x. And I notice I forgot to put the square on the 10x squared, but it should be 10x squared. I bring down the negative x because that comes from negative 5x plus 4x. Leaves me with negative 1x when we don't put the 1, and I just brought down at negative 2. So that third problem, I'm multiplying 2x squared times everything in that second polynomial. 2 times 4 is 8, and adding those exponents, x squared and x to the third is x to the fifth. And then 2x squared times x squared will give me negative 2x to the fourth because I'm adding those exponents. And then 2x squared times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. That 7 does not have any variables, so I bring over the x squared. And now I have to go back and multiply everything by that negative 3. So negative 3 times 4x squared will give me negative 12x to the third. I'm sorry, that is x to the third. Alright, and then negative 3 times negative x squared leaves me with negative 3x squared. And then negative 3 times 7 is, of course, just 21. Running out of space there. Alright, so I'm looking for like terms. I don't have anything else with x to the fifth, so I just bring down that 8x to the fifth. And then looking for more like terms, negative 2x to the fourth. I don't see any other terms with the x to the fourth, so I simply bring down that negative 2x to the fourth as well. Next, because I want to write it in standard form, so I'm bringing down that negative 12x to the third. So highest to lowest exponent. So I have x to the fifth, x to the fourth, x to the third. And then, but I do have two terms with the x squared. So 14x squared and 3x squared gives me 17x squared. And then I bring down at minus 21. And there I have multiplied those two polynomials.